Some of the energy sources we use every day were formed about 300 million years ago, such as coal, oil and gas, the so-called fossil fuels. Because it takes so long for nature to create fossil fuels, once we burn them to generate energy, we can't make any more. One day, fossil fuels will run out.
Other types of energy come from sources that don't run out, like wind, wave and solar, the so-called renewable energy sources. While renewable sources are better for our environment than fossil fuels, right now it's harder to store large amounts of energy from these sources, so we can't rely on them yet to meet our ever-changing daily energy needs.
In the UK, we still rely on oil and gas for more than 75% of our energy needs. Almost all the energy we use to power transport, our cars, trains, planes and ferries, comes from oil. Most of our homes are heated with energy that comes from gas, which also creates a lot of our electricity. Many of the everyday essentials we rely on, from medicines and plastics to cosmetics and household appliances, are produced using the byproducts of oil and gas.
While oil and gas are expected to remain an essential part of our energy mix for many years to come, they come with another catch. When we burn them, we release the carbon stored within them into the Earth's atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide. And this is a major contributor to global warming and climate change.
So, as the world's demand for energy continues to grow, we have to find new ways of producing more energy while releasing less carbon. This is known as net zero carbon, when we take more carbon out of the atmosphere than we release into it.
To do this, we must radically change our energy mix. We have to rely less on fossil fuels and get much more of our energy from renewables like wind and wave. We also need to keep introducing other energy sources like nuclear and hydrogen. If we're going to make these changes to our energy mix, we need to solve challenges like how we can store renewable energy more reliably.
We need a new generation of innovators, engineers and scientists to write the next chapter in the story of energy.
We need people who can come up with new ways of producing clean, reliable energy.
People with ideas on how to stop carbon reaching our atmosphere.
People who care about making sure we get all the energy we need, but who also care about the future of the planet we all share. We need you.